Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. If you are learning how to crochet, then you are going to want to pay attention because in this video I'm going to show you how to change colors while crocheting. This video is going to assume that you at least know how to get started, but we're going to be showing you how to change colors in this video. Please do check out the other videos in my channel if you need help learning how to crochet. If you enjoy this type of content and would like to see more, please do consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. So let me show you what I've started, and then I can show you how to change color. Here, I have a sample piece that I made out of this dark green yarn. These are half double crochets, and there's 2 rows of them in addition to the starting chain. And I've left off right here at the end. I've got one more stitch to do here, and let me show you how I transition to another color. These are half doubles, so I'm going to do a wrap, go into the stitch, wrap, bring up, 3 on the needle, and then wrap and bring through. Okay, so that's the end of the row. When you're changing colors, you're going to cut the yarn and weave that in later. This purple yarn is the yarn that we will be transitioning to. So instead of having the green yarn in my left hand, I'm going to pick up this purple yarn and put it in my left hand, like I was crocheting with it all along. So this is where we left off, but instead of grabbing the green yarn, we're going to grab the purple yarn. Now, just for example here, I am going to be chaining 1 to start my next row because I'm doing half doubles. So instead of the green yarn, we're going to grab this purple yarn and we're going to bring that through. If you tug on the green yarn, you'll be able to bring it all the way down so that you have a nice clean transition line. Then back up here, since we're doing half doubles, we are going to chain just 1. So there's our chain 1, and you can tug on either the green yarn or the yellow yarn to get it to be where you want it to be. So now we're back to normal, it's just that we've got a different color. So I'm going to flip the piece and we'll get started. Again, these are half doubles. Half doubles are wrap, go in, pull 1 up, and then pull it through all 3. We'll do a couple more here. We'll go to the end of the row just so you can see what a total color transition looks like. Here's our last stitch on the row. Remember, the last stitch is kind of funky looking. But as long as we get 2 strands, we're good. Okay, so there we have it. We've changed colors. So back here at the beginning, I went ahead and cut the yarn. So these are the tails that we will weave in once we're done. But you can also kind of tug on them and do what you need to get them to line up at this point as well. If you are changing colors repeatedly within a pattern, there are ways to crochet over the yarn and sort of carry it along with it, but that is more of an advanced technique. If you're learning crochet, just changing colors is going to be a little bit easier. If you have any questions, please do drop them in the comment section, and I'll see you next time.